Using Slack gift cards is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card and start enjoying your benefits. Step 1. Access your Slack account. Log into your Slack account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to the gift card section. Once logged in, go to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for an option labeled Gift Cards or Redeem Gift Cards. Step 3. Enter gift card code. In the gift card section, you will find a field to enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card. Step 4. Confirm redemption. After entering the code, click on the Redeem or Submit button. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your gift card has been successfully redeemed. Step 5. Use your credit. Once redeemed, the value of the gift card will be added to your Slack account balance. You can now use this balance for various services or features available on Slack. Thank you for following these steps. Enjoy using your Slack gift card.